good, you guys? I'm out here doing abs today. I have the entire gym to myself, guys. I'm gonna be working out, making the gym my bitch until further notice. And I'm just making sure that I never touch my face, disinfect the equipment, and always wash my hands per usual. What's new? But I am really excited. I just threw up a poll on my Instagram asking if you guys wanted to see an at-home workout, and it was 50-50 between abs and booty, so I guess I'll be shooting both of those this week for the YouTube channel so you guys can start your fitness journey, because what else you got to do, right? But be productive and take care of your health and your self-care. But I'm wearing Fabletics today. If you guys want this cute set, it's probably one of my favorites. Check it out. I'll leave a link down below. You can get any two bottoms for just $24, which is such a steal. Self-quarantine me in the gym. Thank you so much. Yo, I'm fucking dead. I've been working out for 55 minutes, but like there's nothing else literally to do. So I'm like, let's just be productive. I've been doing a lot of jump rope today in between my hit to get my heart rate up, and it's my favorite full body workout. Burns so many calories so fast. It's great for a warm up and in between workout exercises if you want to get your heart rate up there. But I'm gonna do some cardio and then I'm gonna wrap my workout up in probably about an hour. It's 9:50 in the morning. And I'm gonna film my at-home workout. As of now, the Instagram poll is booty and leg. That's what you guys requested to see first. So I guess I'll be doing full body workout today. Actually, scratch that. Lower body and abs, because I'm not about to do arms. Did that yesterday. My hair gets crazy. Oh my God. I am the self-care queen, and I absolutely love adding a few drops of essential oils to the base of my shower. Different ones do different things. I'll link below a cute little set that you guys can order on Amazon so you don't have to go out anywhere to hunt them down. But I added lavender into the base of my shower. Literally 4 drops, 1 in each corner, is all you need, and all that steam is just gonna create a nice relaxing vapor to your senses and allow you to calm down and just be normal if you happen to be a little bit stressed. So I love a good self-care shower routine and do things that you don't normally do in the shower, like exfoliate and shave and do a deep conditioning mask. Yes, you guys, I just took the best shower. It was so relaxing, and I absolutely love working with essential oils. So if you guys have a little bit of stress, some anxiety, you're feeling a little bit out of it because of everything that's going on, definitely try that, and you can get some really good ones. I like peppermint, spearmint, orange blossom, lavender. There's so many different essential oils that you could use. So I'll link my favorite set in the description box for you guys. But this is the perfect time to introduce more self-care into your life, or to step up your self-care if you're not doing it enough. So I'm going to do a mask right now, something just very purifying and detoxifying to get my skin nice and cleansed. And I have a whole video if you guys are looking for an in-depth routine on self-care, how to look, taste, and smell like a snack, all my favorite products, a skincare routine video if you want to work on that during your downtime, do some research on what you think would be best for your skin type. What else you got to do? So check out literally everything in the description box below. I said I wanted something purifying, but I actually want something very glowy. I'm gonna try the Ulla Hendrickson Fat Glow Facial today with a little brush. guys are doing 1 minute of just breathing, oh my gosh, that is better than nothing at all. I have an Apple Watch, so if you guys use one as well, you'll know that it will remind you to breathe. And you just need to be present in the moment, and that is the best advice I could give you guys. If you don't want to do full-blown meditations like I do for 45 minutes, start with just a minute of breathing and allowing yourself to feel your body and being grounded, feeling your body weight sitting on the actual ground. You know, if you have a backyard where you're able to do this, even better, where you can connect yourself with the earth. But for those of us that live in apartments, we're not supposed to leave the community, then sitting on your floor or lying on your bed, a flat surface, is just fine. And I love crystals with this. It just amps up the vibrations and allows you to be on that frequency of just calmness, and it allows me to just feel normal during a time when things can be a little bit crazy, scrolling on your phone endlessly, on social media, watching the news constantly. This is the perfect time, you guys, to do a social media unplug. Yes, it's good to be aware and to keep up with the things, but seeing that stuff 24/7 is so unhealthy. And I think just being at home, trying to relax and do things that keep you productive, that help you, that are fun for you to do, are the things that we should be trying to focus in on. So I've still got my face mask on and it's a little bit pink. So what I'm going to do to pass some time by is completing those tasks around your home that you have been putting off. You know, those things that you don't really love to do, but now you have all the time in the world to get them done. Like wash your dirty makeup brushes. That is something that I should be doing once a week, but I'm not gonna lie, I tend to put it off a little bit longer than I should. So today we are going to wash our makeup brushes.
Got that feng shui. It looks fun, I wanna come play. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It's the weekend, tell me what you want, babe. It's a beautiful situation. No, I don't need no invitation, cause I'm already on it. I want it. Fill her up, I wanna pump it. I got that gas.
And he holding them hands, and he's looking at that ass. Think I let him grab it. I'm a pretty young savage.
Wow, if you can't make it to the gym, throw yourself a dance party for one. You're gonna burn so many calories. By the way, I was listening to Ariana Grande. Love her so much. Coffee's kicking in. I'm feeling so good. I just rinsed off my face mask, so my skin is feeling right. I meditated. Like, wait a minute. This is all the stuff I already do at home. Thank God I'm a homebody. Oh my God. Comments down below if you guys can relate. What things are you guys doing at home to keep yourself preoccupied and basically keeping you sane? Let me know. Make yourself cozy but productive. So what I'm going to do is some journaling. I love to journal my thoughts, all the things that I'm grateful for in this life, also things that I want to manifest. Future journaling is definitely my thing, you guys. I have a whole video on it if you want to get into it during this time or you have interest in it. Definitely check out my video, link down below. So I'm gonna do some of that. I'm also gonna start a new read today as well. I can't really recommend this book to you guys because I haven't read it yet, but I do know that it sounds amazing, and this is 12 Rules for Life, the most influential public intellectual in the Western world right now. So I'm gonna start this. It's a pretty thick book, but excuse me, pretty easy to read. And I've been meaning to pick up this book and read it. I've had it for some time now, and guess what? Now is the perfect time to educate myself, learn something new, and do something that I've been putting off for a while. If you guys are looking for some really bomb shows to start binging, I highly recommend that you guys get on my block. I know that they just dropped a new season, which is amazing, which I am currently in the middle of, and I highly recommend you guys watch it. It's so freaking good right now. So if you guys have any good shows that you're binging on Netflix or Stars, comment down below so we could all have something interesting to look forward to. And let me show you guys some other shows that I'm really loving right now. And breaking news, Netflix just dropped Space Jam, and I actually just watched this last week with my mans. So if you have not seen this or you want to take it back to your childhood, I highly recommend you guys rewatch Space Jam. It's so weird when you're an adult and you watch it because you pick up on things that you never picked up on when, you know, you were a kid when this first came out. Ooh, I also want to recommend All American. This is a really good show to start if you guys haven't seen it already. I've watched this live, so I haven't watched it on here, but I might rewatch it before the next season drops.